In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Explore function in Google Slides and Google Docs. You'll know where to find the Explore button, how to use it, and then how to insert material from this into the presentation or document. Okay, so first I'll show you how to use the Explore function in a presentation. Here I have a research presentation example, and then I go to Tools, Explore. So one neat thing about the Explore, it shows you layout examples that you could use that would fit the presentation. So let's do this image, and now if you want to find information for the presentation, like what is the definition of exploration, then you can click on the website and it will take you to that website in a new tab, and then you can use this information within your presentation and put something like the definition of exploration. On top of this ability to search things directly from your presentation, you can also look up images. So let's say I want to look up mountains. Then I can find mountains and then just press the plus button, which will add it to the presentation. Lastly, you look in Drive and then it will show you anything associated with what you've searched in your Drive. So it shows all the results of things that include mountains. Now in Google Docs, you can do a bit more with the Explore function. So let's exit out of that, and I'll show you once again, go up to Tools and then Explore, and then it shows you what you've explored in the past, or you can just explore something new. For instance, I looked up what is a research paper, and then when I clicked on it, it brought me to an external page, and from here I paraphrased what they put, what is a research paper, into my paper, and after I paraphrased it, I cited it by simply pressing Cite as a footnote. So then after you press this button, you go down here and it will show up as a citation. And so you can choose what format you want, such as MLA, APA, or Chicago, and then it will put that style format down here in the subnote. For instance, let's look up another thing, and I clicked on the first result and then paraphrased what they put, what research was. And now we'll watch as I cite it. So we press Cite as footnote, and it put the number in as a superscript, and then it put the MLA citation down here. And then of course you can put images in, press plus, and since it's a doc, you might want to wrap or break text depending on what you want. Right now it's in line. This is what happens with wrapping text, and then if you break text, it goes on the top or bottom of the text. So let's do wrap text. And that is how you use the Explore function in Google Docs and Slides.